Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a lehenga at home. Start by checking the care label on your lehenga to understand its fabric composition and recommended ironing temperature. It's crucial that your lehenga is clean and completely dry before you begin, as ironing a dirty or damp garment can set stains or cause damage. Gather your tools, a clean iron, a sturdy ironing board, and a pressing cloth, which is essential for delicate fabrics. Finally, set your iron to the correct heat setting, usually low to medium for most lehenga materials. To protect the intricate details and delicate fabric of your lehenga, always turn it inside out before you start ironing. This simple step shields any embellishments like sequins or embroidery from direct heat. Place a pressing cloth, such as a thin cotton towel or a pillowcase, between the iron and the lehenga. Iron in small, manageable sections, moving the iron smoothly and continuously to prevent heat spots. Never press directly on any decorative elements. When dealing with pleats, take your time to carefully align each one. You can use small clips or pins to hold them in place, ensuring a crisp finish. Iron each pleat individually, pressing downwards from the waistline to the hem. For areas with significant volume, like the skirt, use the steam function of your iron and a very light touch to gently smooth out wrinkles without flattening the fabric. Once ironed, hang your lehenga immediately on a padded hanger to help it retain its beautiful shape. After ironing, let your lehenga cool down completely for at least 30 minutes before you fold or store it. This prevents new wrinkles from forming. Store your lehenga in a breathable garment bag to protect it from dust and potential creasing. For very heavy lehengas, avoid hanging them for extended periods, as this can cause the fabric to stretch. For long-term preservation, consider placing acid-free tissue paper between folds and around embellishments to maintain their pristine condition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.